This 5-minute solution will show you how to find and reset WordPress password in Cpanel. If you forgot your WordPress website login credential, you can recover your WordPress website password easily. First of all, enter your domain name and /cpanel and hit enter. Now log into your Cpanel. Once you are in your Cpanel, click on the search box and type here PHPmyadmin. So you have to click on PHPmyadmin. And here you will get your database list. So all you have to need, just expand the database, which database you created for your WordPress website. So my one is howtfdp. So click on this plus icon and here click on WPOI users, and here you will get your WordPress login username and password. Now to reset your password, click on edit, and to reset password, cut this whole password and write here your new password for your WordPress login, and click on user password drop down and here select MD5 and scroll down, click on go, and after that your WordPress Cpanel password will be changed. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe how to 1 minute. See you in the next video.